Bitcoin has garnered significant attention in recent years. Its price has surged, captivating investors worldwide. Now, a growing chorus of analysts predicts Bitcoin could reach six figures soon. This bullish outlook stems from a confluence of factors. These factors include institutional adoption, economic uncertainty, and regulatory developments. Bitcoin, as a decentralized digital currency, offers a unique value proposition. It operates independently of central banks and governments. This makes it an attractive hedge against inflation and economic instability. As more investors recognize its potential, Bitcoin's price is poised for further growth. The path to six figures may not be without its bumps. Volatility is inherent in the cryptocurrency market. However, the long-term trajectory for Bitcoin appears bright. The underlying fundamentals and growing adoption suggest a future where six-figure Bitcoin becomes a reality. One of the most significant drivers of Bitcoin's recent surge is the influx of institutional capital. This has been facilitated by the introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs provide a regulated and accessible way for institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Prior to Bitcoin ETFs, institutional investors faced significant barriers to entry. These barriers included security concerns, custody solutions, and regulatory uncertainty. Bitcoin ETFs address these challenges, opening the floodgates for institutional money. The approval and launch of several Bitcoin ETFs in major markets have been a game changer. These ETFs have attracted billions of dollars in investments from institutions. This influx of capital has provided a significant boost to Bitcoin's price. The outcome of the 2024 U.S. presidential election could have significant implications for Bitcoin. Different candidates hold varying stances on cryptocurrency regulation. Their policies could either foster or hinder Bitcoin's growth in the coming years. A pro-Bitcoin administration could pave the way for more favorable regulations. This could further accelerate institutional adoption and drive mainstream acceptance. Conversely, a more skeptical administration could introduce stricter rules. These rules might stifle innovation and limit Bitcoin's potential. Beyond the US, global political developments also play a role. Geopolitical tensions, economic sanctions, and capital controls in various countries can influence Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it an attractive alternative in times of political and economic uncertainty. Section 4: Economic Uncertainty, Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. The current global economic landscape is marked by uncertainty. Rising inflation, geopolitical tensions, and concerns about fiat currency devaluation are pushing investors towards alternative assets. Bitcoin, often perceived as digital gold, has emerged as a potential safe haven. Bitcoin's limited supply and decentralized nature make it resistant to inflationary pressures. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly by central banks, Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity contributes to its value proposition as a hedge against inflation. Furthermore, Bitcoin's decentralized structure shields it from government interference and traditional financial risks. This makes it an attractive option for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth from economic turmoil. Section 5: Regulatory clarity and Bitcoin's halving event. Catalyst for growth. Two additional factors that could propel Bitcoin's price higher are increasing regulatory clarity and the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. Clearer regulations would provide much-needed certainty for businesses and investors operating in the crypto space. This could lead to greater adoption and investment. The Bitcoin halving, a pre-programmed event that occurs approximately every 4 years, reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This reduction in supply, coupled with continued or growing demand, is expected to put upward pressure on the price. Historically, Bitcoin halving events have been followed by significant price rallies. This is because the reduced supply dynamics create a supply shock in the market. As the next halving approaches, anticipation and speculation surrounding its impact on price are likely to increase. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how you can use your cryptocurrency for everyday transactions, check out my dedicated video on RedotPay. RedotPay is a versatile crypto payment platform that lets you spend your digital assets just like fiat currency with a single transaction limit of up to $100,000 USD. Learn more about how to get started with RedotPay's virtual and physical cards, their compatibility with Apple Pay and Google Pay, and the robust security measures they have in place.